Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufu Amara, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, bond practitioner, and mystic. Today's topic is to be an enigma, you must stand alone, part 1 of 5. This is part 1 of 5 journey into solitude, discernment, and becoming who you were meant to be before the world got its hands on you. If your spiritual journey isn't confusing the people closest to you, you haven't started yet. Everyone wants to be different, but no one wants to be alone. Your mother will worry. Your best friend will pull back. The people who've known you your whole life will look at you like you're speaking another language. They'll ask you why you're so quiet now. Why you don't laugh at the same jokes. Why you left the group chat, the parties, the noise. You didn't change, you woke up. An enigma isn't someone trying to be mysterious, no. It's someone who stopped performing for an audience that only loved the old version of them. You'll be too spiritual for your logical friends, too grounded for your chaotic ones, too quiet for the loud room, too deep for the small talk. You're set in rooms full of people and feel more alone than when you were actually alone. And that's how you know something in you has shifted. You're not lost. You're just ahead. This isn't rejection. This isn't refinement. Solitude isn't punishment. It's the forge. Enigmas aren't made in crowds. They're made in the quiet. When no one's clapping and you still chose growth. When no one's watching and you still chose the harder truth over the easier lie. Every master, every mystic, every soul who ever carried real depth walked through a season where the room got smaller before their life got bigger. So let them not understand. Let them whisper. Let them wonder who you've become. Let them call it distance when it really is discernment. Let them call it pride when it's really peace. Standing alone isn't the punishment. It's the promotion. It means you've outgrown what you used to hold you. Because the ones who are meant to walk with you will find you on the other side. Not the side of who you were, the side of who you are becoming. To be enigma, you must stand alone. Follow so you don't miss part 2. This series is about to hit different. I go deeper. Until next time, ashe, ashe, ashe.